Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Plex versus West. Plex is a powerful media server software designed for organizing and streaming your personal collection of movies, TV shows, music, and photos. In contrast, West is a digital media distribution platform that provides a curated library of content, often through a subscription. The fundamental difference lies in whether you want to host your own media or access a pre-existing, professionally managed catalog. We'll explore the unique advantages of each to help you decide. Plex empowers you to be the master of your media. You can host thousands of your own films, television series, and music tracks, all meticulously organized with rich metadata, cover art, and summaries. It allows you to stream your content to virtually any device, whether you're at home or on the go. A Plex Pass subscription unlocks advanced features like a digital video recorder for live television and mobile synchronization for offline viewing. West offers a different kind of convenience, providing a vast, professionally curated library of entertainment. You gain instant access to hundreds of movies, thousands of television episodes, and exclusive documentaries without the need for any personal media management. The platform ensures high-quality streaming with minimal setup, and new releases are added regularly. Many subscription tiers also offer ad-free viewing and the ability to download content for offline enjoyment. Deciding between Plex and West ultimately depends on your priorities. If you possess a large personal media collection and desire complete control, customization, and the ability to host your own server, Plex is likely your ideal choice. However, if you prefer a ready-to-watch, professionally managed content library with effortless access and minimal technical involvement, West will serve you better. Many users find value in utilizing both platforms to cover all their entertainment needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.